Today I'm going to be making some NPC faces, and this is from my Kickstarter page, Thaddeus Addlington's Adventure Journal. The Adventure Journal is designed to help play TTRPGs, some specific to D&D, but it is RPG agnostic, and it is designed to be used in a fantasy setting. The Adventure Journal aims to provide small seeds of inspiration for what you can create with endless opportunities available. Should you find yourself lost after character creation, this journal aims to develop your adventure into something epic and to create a legacy in your games and in your own home library. Some games can have a lot of NPCs to keep track of, so you can list them down in the player relationships page, or draw them in the NPC recognition page, as what I'm doing here. I've developed the Adventure Journal to be based in any fantasy setting, or any genre if you find it bleeding into sci-fi or horror. Many of the suggestions and scenarios that I've referenced are from my own personal experiences while playing such games as The One Ring, Tales from the Loop, Call of Cthulhu, Shadowrun, and so many more. The book itself will be printed in UK as an A5 size, and it is designed with 24 pages in mind, 10 pages dedicated to character enrichment, and 14 to write down your own personal adventure logs during your games. I'll continue to draw, and hopefully you enjoy the video. If you want to back it, we have a few hours left, 48 hours to be exact from now. If you want to go support me, the link is in the description and in the pinned comment below. Thank you so much for watching.